Hi guys, Dennis here from Denny Bob's RC. I am going to show you kind of the progress. I made a video last night, posted it up, and I decided to continue to work and kind of sort some things out, what I wanted to do with this. And I'm going to show you. I'm working on the Bruder Linde HT160 forklift. That's been an ongoing project. And those of you that have watched several of the other videos, I think this will be video 5, but video 1 was 2 years ago. So you have to go back on my videos to catch the first one. But I finally getting back into it. So I'll kind of show you what I'm going to do. I am going to use, these are 40 amp ESCs. And I think they should be good enough to power my lift actuator and my tilt actuator. If not, then maybe later on I'll go get some 1060s and try that. But this is what I'm going to use for the drive motor, the 1060. I like using these. Boy, that price is way off for what I paid for it. No, actually it's pretty close. But anyway, these were a little bit cheaper. I found these, I think, on Amazon. I've never used them before. I bought them for some smaller projects. They're a little bit smaller ESC. Not a lot smaller physically, dimension-wise, other than they are thinner than the 1060 hobby wings. But last night I went and I got these standoffs. This actually same standoffs I used to make my links for my tilt. I had some screws coming up through here that I had threaded. I figured, what the heck, we'll get a plate up here made to set the battery on, which when you get this top set on there, it really leaves me a nice shelf to put the battery on and keep it out of the drive motors and keep it out of all the moving parts. It really opened it up underneath here. You know, I got plenty of clearance. Don't have to worry about. What I'm going to do is probably get some double-sided tape, and I will tape the ESCs up underneath this plate and be out of the way and keep them out of the motor and everything. Just my idea so far. I'm going to see how the evening goes and see how much I can get done. This is when this stuff is all the time-consuming stuff. I mean, I want to get lights wired and all kinds of different things for the cab, and it's just, this is my least favorite part of the whole project, is this final things where I gotta start mounting stuff and start wiring everything, and it's slow, tedious, time consuming. The unfortunate part is these guys put the wrong ends on these. This is the power in, which is the female, and the power out, which is a male. You know, it'd be great if this end was on here, and I may change that yet. I might take these off, solder them, flip them. That way I can directly plug my JST plugs that come out of my linear actuators, because that's what these are. That way I don't have to put adapters on here, or that way any one of these ever goes bad, I can just swap it out instead of having to change a bunch of wiring. I want to try and eliminate as much wiring underneath here as possible to kind of keep it clean. But made myself a nice plate there. I think it turned out pretty good. And kind of sits in there, leaves plenty of room up underneath for everything, you know. Keeps the stuff out of the way. Won't have ESCs laying down here in the bottom or anything. I'll glue them up underneath. And I'm not sure if my double-edged tape, my double-sided 3M tape will work real good with that or not. Usually there's enough oil in these. Usually what I got to do is I got to wipe these with a little alcohol and maybe take some 400 grit sandpaper and just kind of take the sheen off of it. Otherwise, they just doesn't adhere very good. But that's what I've found out anyway. I got to get the oils off of them. Otherwise, they just don't stick very good and stay. Sometimes when I do that, though, they stick so darn good, they're really hard to remove if they ever do go bad. But that is what I'm going to work on tonight. We'll see how it goes, whether I continue this video on from here or not. If not, catch you later. Otherwise, watch to see if there's a transition after this. So, catch you guys later.